Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Thursday to you. It is the beginning of our week here at Aroma Thyme. We were just closed for Tuesday and Wednesday. So our new $9.99 or BOGO, buy one, get one free special begins. We've kind of switched from the $9.99 to the buy one, get one free. So that is a takeout special only. I've had a lot of people asking about our special this week. So it is buy one, get one free ribeyes, and that is for takeout only. So I see some people joining, so I'll give everybody a few minutes here to join in with me. I have a new cocktail I'll be sharing with you today. It is salted caramel white chocolate mudslide. Super excited about that. You can make a chocolate mudslide, or you can make, I'm going to be making a white chocolate mudslide. Super easy, super simple. Let's see. Thank you everybody for joining me. Hello Deborah, hello Aileen. If you are watching live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, put hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here and that you like what you see. So our buy one, get one free special, takeout special this week from now until Monday is a ribeye. So you buy one ribeye, you get one free. It comes with roasted potatoes, garlic potatoes, and sauteed vegetables. And the ribeye has garlic on top and what's on it, Marcus? It's extra virgin olive oil and fig vin cotto. So that is our special. Of course, Aroma Thyme is open now until Monday. We have a lot of stuff going on this weekend, a lot of stuff. We've got a lot of catering that we're doing. Our Airbnbs are busy. And I think spring is kind of trying to work its way in here. And we have what we call a vintage run on Sunday. So that is a run walk, about 3.5 miles around Ellenville. Ends at Aroma Thyme with a wine tasting here at Aroma Thyme. So the proceeds go to the Ellenville Run Like the Wind scholarship that we do at Ellenville High School. So that's where the proceeds go to. That's what it benefits. We will be open for lunch during the vintage run. So if you want to run and then come for lunch, it'll be our regular menu. But we open at 3 o'clock on Sunday. And Monday we have a beer dinner. So 4 beers, 4 rare vintage beers, and a dish for $29. That is Monday at 6:30, and super excited about that. So let's see, I see some people on, so thank you for watching me. And now I'm going to make my salted caramel white chocolate mudslide. So I have ice already in my shaker. I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of vodka, so LIV vodka from Long Island. All right, I'm going to add some St. Patrick's Irish cream, about 1 ounce. I'm going to add about 1 ounce of O'Reilly's Country Cream White Chocolate. And I am going to take this salted caramel sauce that I have. It's an organic caramel sauce. I am going to drizzle it all over the glass. Dip it in, put it into the glass, and I'm going to dip this into salt, get a salted rim, there we go. I'm going to put ice in my cup, and I am going to shake my drink, shake away. We have a little bit of salted caramel here to my shaker if you wanted to. And I'm going to pour my white chocolate mudslide, so salted caramel, white chocolate mudslide, a little thicker. So I got this. Look at that. Yummy. Whoa. All right, and let's give it a whirl, give it a little taste. Oh, it tastes like a milkshake. Yummy. Someone said looks good. Hello Gina. Hello Jean King. Hope you are all well. So it is a salted caramel white chocolate mudslide, white chocolate cream, Irish cream, salted caramel, and vodka with a salted rim Look how delicious that looks. Yummy. The caramel is falling off. Isn't that yummy? Let's see. So just a quick reminder, our buy one get one free takeout special this week is our ribeye. The vintage run on Sunday. Tickets can be bought online. They can be bought here in person. It includes a wine tasting after. So even if you just want to get out and walk, you can walk. Monday is 4 beers and a dish. We have a lot going on here. Stay tuned for Marcus's Facebook Live, hopefully tomorrow. And I hope everybody has an awesome night, and we will see everybody soon. Cheers.